Owning a vehicle shouldn't come with question marks. CarDoc Connect gives you answers, from speed alerts to theft protection, scheduling service, and more. CarDoc Connect keeps you one step ahead of the unexpected.
CarDoc Connect differentiates from the competition by leveraging vehicle-specific service history, mileage tracking, and recall detection to deliver smarter communication.
CarDoc Connect provides peace of mind. Set a geofence around your home, school, or work and get a notification the moment your vehicle enters or leaves that area. Teen drivers are statistically more likely to speed, not out of recklessness, but often due to inexperience or peer pressure. CarDoc Connect's Speed Alert feature helps parents set a safe speed threshold. Get instant notifications if their teen exceeds that limit. Our app tracks your vehicle's maintenance needs and sends you a gentle nudge when service is due. Life is busy, and routine vehicle maintenance is one of the first things people forget. CarDoc Connect takes that burden off you, tracking mileage and service intervals automatically, sending timely reminders before service is due, offering one-tap appointment scheduling at your preferred Victory dealership. It's like having a digital assistant for your vehicle, one that keeps you ahead of the curve and off the shoulder of the road. Whether it's a low battery warning, checking for low fuel, or a check engine light, CarDoc Connect alerts you instantly before a small issue becomes a big problem. Vehicle theft can be devastating, emotionally, logistically, and financially. The CarDoc Anti-Theft Benefit protects customers by offering a $5,000 cash payment if their vehicle is stolen and not recovered within 30 days. No guesswork, no surprises, just clear information right on your phone, with the confidence of our expert service team ready when you need them.
CarDoc Connect gives you more than just maintenance coverage. It's peace of mind. From real-time alerts and anti-theft protection to easy service scheduling and cash benefits, CarDoc keeps you connected, protected, and in control.
Get the plan that does more. Visit getcardoc.com to learn more or enroll today.